Hello students, chapter How do organisms reproduce? Today's topic is multiple fission. You know, reproduction is an essential process for the continuity of the race and can take place in different ways in different organisms. Generally, it is categorized as asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction requires only one parent and no gamete formation is taking place. Most of them are unicellular or very lower category of the organism, which are not having any type of specified organs for it, while sexual reproduction requires two parents with the gamete formation. Generally, asexual reproduction can be divided into fission, fragmentation, budding, vegetative propagation, regeneration, spore formation. This fission is also of two types, binary fission and the multiple fission. In case of the binary fission, in the previous video you have studied two cells are being formed. But in case of the multiple fission, a single cell divides into many daughter cells simultaneously. Generally, it takes place during the unfavorable conditions, but it do happens in the favorable conditions. Examples are Plasmodium, a protozoan responsible for malaria, and amoeba. There is a difference between binary fission and multiple fission because in case of the binary fission, only one parent cell divides into two equal sized identical daughter cells or the individuals, while in case of the multiple fission, parent cells divides into several equal sizes daughter individuals. For example, in case of the Plasmodium. During the unfavorable conditions, these organism develops a hard coating surrounding them known as cyst, but inside that the cells keeps on multiplying, that is the nucleus keeps on multiplying, the cell do not divide. As soon as the favorable conditions comes, the cell wall divides or the nucleus with the cytoplasm comes out. Each nucleus with little bit of the cytoplasm give rise to a new organism, although in this case a residual part is left behind which was not there in case of the binary fission. The cyst forms help them to cope up with the unfavorable environmental conditions. Similar way, in case of Plasmodium, the malarial protozoan, the division takes place in two hosts. The asexual part takes place inside the human body in the liver, RBC cells, where they are doing the multiple fission and causing the disease malaria. Binary fission and multiple fission. The major difference lies in the number of the daughter cells formed. In case of both the cases, the division is from any plane. Generally, two cells are formed in case of binary fissions. Many daughter individuals are formed in the multiple fissions. Binary fission, the cells divides once only, but in case of the multiple fission, the nucleus keeps on dividing. No residue is left in binary fission while it is left in case of the multiple fission. Immortality is characteristics of the binary fission. Thank you.